Moving over, a group of unidentified terrorists today shot at a BJP worker in Jammu and Kashmir's Budgam district. In fact, Abdul Hamid Najar of Ompora, BJP's other backward class district president of Budgam, was on a morning walk near the railway station when the unknown terrorists fired at him. Police sources have said that he received bullet injuries in the abdomen and has been now shifted to a hospital for treatment. The incident comes in the wake of series of such attacks on BJP workers and activists in the valley. This week in itself, 3 such attacks have been reported. Last month, a BJP leader from Bandipora was killed along with his family members by gunmen. Jammu and Kashmir BJP chief Ravindra Raina hits out at Pakistan over the terror attack on party worker Abdul Hamid in Budgam district of central Kashmir. Raina said that Pakistan is rattled as BJP's support base is increasing in the Kashmir Valley.
जिन आतंकवादियों ने इस प्रकार के घटनाक्रम किए हैं, ना वो पहले बचे हैं, ना आगे बच पाएंगे। पूरे कश्मीर को आतंकवाद मुक्त करेंगे, आतंकवादियों का सफाया करेंगे और पाकिस्तान के इन दरिंदे आतंकवादियों को कश्मीर घाटी में किसी सूरत में नहीं रहने देंगे। इस प्रकार की कायराना हरकत करके वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के बढ़ते हुए विस्तार को कश्मीर घाटी में पाकिस्तान नहीं रोक सकता।
Let's quickly cut across to Shuja ul Haq joining us live. Shuja, what is going on? We're looking at yet another attack on a BJP leader. It seems like terror activities don't cease to, in fact, prevail across the vicinity in those volatile areas. We're still looking at terror groups thriving. Currently, a BJP worker in Jammu and Kashmir, Abdul Hamid Najar of Ompura, has been shot at.
Well, that's correct, Nabila. This is, at least third such incident that has taken place in this week in itself. We've seen 2 such similar, attacks that have happened on BJP workers in South Kashmir, in which one of them actually died, after being shot at. And like you were pointing out, just about last month, there was a very big attack on a BJP leader in Bandipora, in which he was assassinated along with 2 of his other family members. So it does come as a part of a trend or a series of such attacks that have happened over, particularly over these activists of BJP and punches and sarpanches in various areas of Kashmir Valley. Security forces have been saying that they are trying their level best to give a sense of security to these activists, but even then it clearly seems that enough is not being done, and these activists continue to be vulnerable, particularly in South Kashmir, where many of these attacks have happened so far.
Shuja, very tragic. It appears that now we're looking at terror activities. They're only escalating. A few BJP leaders have been attacked now, in yet another one who's been admitted to the hospital. We're looking at authorities investigating into the matter there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.